Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to change page size. To change page size in Inkscape, you can right click and then it will show for document properties, click and then document properties dialog box will be automatically appear. Now if you want to change this page size, you can click at this format tools, like you can set into A7. The pack will be automatically more small, so you can increase again with these tools. So default is A4 paper size, and you also can change into B4, set for B4, or you can set by clicking at these points, like I will set width into 400 and height and set like into 400. So to be automatically change the page size. If you done, you click this X button to close. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials how to change page size. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.